In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple Invoices Quickbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to narrow down your list to invoices, and the best way to print them clearly and consistently. Start on your QuickBooks dashboard and head to the left-hand navigation. Click Sales, then open All Sales. This brings you to the central activity hub where every transaction type lives, and it's the fastest place to work through a batch. To focus only on what you need, use the filters to show invoices. Filtering first keeps your list clean, speeds up your workflow, and helps you avoid opening the wrong transaction type. With the list filtered, click the specific invoice you want to print. This opens the full invoice view so you can confirm the details before sending anything to paper. Take a quick moment to scan the customer name, billing address, invoice date and number, line items, taxes, and the balance due. A 10-second check here can save you a reprint later. When you're ready, choose Print or Preview. The preview is your chance to confirm the layout matches your company template. Look for your logo placement, fonts, and whether everything fits on one page. If the amounts, columns, or totals don't look right, back out and make adjustments before printing. From the preview, select Print. Your browser's print dialog will appear. Pick the correct printer and set the number of copies. Keep scale at 100% for accurate spacing, and choose portrait orientation unless your template requires landscape. If your invoice style uses color blocks or subtle shading, enable background graphics so the page matches what your customer expects. Review margins if the content feels cramped. Small margin tweaks often keep the total from spilling onto a second page. If you prefer to keep a digital record or plan to print later, choose to download as a PDF, then print from that file when you're ready. PDFs are also ideal if you need to store copies, send to a third-party print service, or ensure consistent formatting across different printers. To move through multiple invoices efficiently, stay on the All Sales page with the Invoices filter applied. After printing one invoice, return to the filtered list, open the next one, and repeat. Working down that list keeps you organized and reduces clicks. If Print or Preview isn't available, make sure the invoice is saved and not mid-edit. And if your totals or taxes look off in Preview,